Man, I'm tired in the mall, man. Y'all don't even know. I'm trying to sleep, and this woman's snoring. Boy, I love her. I love her. I love her. But, Lord. You know when you're trying to go to sleep before them? No, it don't work. I gotta count 10,000 sheeps and they babies. All she gotta do is touch the pillow. I love her. I love her. I mean, she wakes herself up out of her sleep with her own snoring. Get up and go use the bathroom. Try to go back to sleep. Then I realize I have a bed in my man cave. Just for her to wake up and find me and come in there and do the same